Between the COVID-19 pandemic, worldwide lockdown, economic recession, market collapses, and every other crisis we've had to endure of late, the last year has certainly been a tough one for most Australians, and that's especially true for the 2 million odd business owners who struggle to stay in the black and trade through the forced business closures. Well, we're all here to tell you that there's finally a light at the end of the tunnel for all of you business owners. In an effort to kickstart our economy again, the Australian government's 2020-21 budget introduced an exciting new measure for eligible businesses: the Limitless Instant Asset Write-Off Scheme. By removing the previous limits for the Instant Asset Write-Off Scheme, as a business you're now allowed to apply the full cost of all new and used depreciable assets purchased from the 6th of October 2020 as an expense against your profits for the last 2 years. So what does this mean for you and your business? Basically, you can reduce the net profit and taxable income of your business by the value of the asset you purchase, which by extension not only reduces the income tax you'll pay going forward, but also may earn you a refund to the income tax you've paid for the last couple of years. Let's say that in the 2019 financial year, your company made a $100,000 profit, so paid $27,500 income tax to the ATO. Business was a lot tougher in the 2020 financial year, and you only just broke even. So you didn't have to pay any income tax for the year. Thankfully, things have picked up significantly this year, and you're expecting a healthy $150,000 profit for the 2021 financial year, which would mean paying the ATO another $39,000 in income tax. That means you'll be paying a total income tax of $66,500. Finally, you've just secured a new work contract and needed to buy another truck for $220,000 including GST. Now we've got the scenario, here's how this Instant Asset Write-Off Scheme works. Firstly, being a GST registered company, you're able to make a claim for the $20,000 GST component of the truck, which reduces the net cost down to $200,000. Next, the Instant Asset Write-Off Scheme allows you to write off the full value of the truck in the financial year you purchased it. So your accountant will record this write-off in your business expenses as a depreciation, like they normally do, which means that the $200,000 would be recorded as an expense for the year. So by applying that $200,000 expense to this year would mean that $150,000 net profit you are going to be paying $39,000 income tax on has now become a $50,000 net loss, which means not only do you save the $39,000 in tax for this year, but by applying the $50,000 loss to the $100,000 net profit you made in the 2019 financial year, you would also receive an additional $13,750 refund from the ATO for overpaid tax that year. Let's do the math on this hypothetical scenario so you can see just how much of an impact this Limitless Instant Asset Write-Off Scheme can have to your business bottom line. GST component of the truck, $20,000, plus income tax reduction for 2020-21 financial year, $39,000, plus refunded income tax for 2018-19 financial year, $13,750. Total rebates and tax benefits, $72,750. When you combine these potential tax benefits with the lowest interest rates in Australian history, there's never been a better time to grow your business. So don't miss out on this opportunity. Speak to one of the commercial asset finance specialists at Finance Easy and let us help taking your business to the next level.